Hi, Junior Builders. I'm Phinny from Pupstruction. Can you guess what construction vehicle I am? Right, a bulldozer. Bulldozers push stuff like rocks, gravel, and even snow out of the way. We use them to get the ground ready for building. One time, we used Roxy's bulldozer to help clear snow from a road on Pupcake Mountain. The snow on the street was blocking the cars from driving, so first, Roxy used her bulldozer to plow. Then, Luna used her excavator, and I used my crane to load the snow into Tank's hauler. And finally, Tank used his hauler to drive the snow away. Say bye, snow! That's the Pup Alert. Let's see bulldozers in action in your world. Here comes the bulldozer. Wow, it's so loud. Bulldozers clear all the rocks and debris from the build site so the other trucks can do their jobs. Some bulldozers have tracks instead of wheels. Tracks help it drive over mud, rocks, and even bumpy ground without slipping. It's like shoes for a truck. Look! On that build site there's a pup! How cool! I wonder what truck he drives. Now the bulldozer is using its blade to flatten the ground. That makes it safer for other trucks to drive on. Wow, what a cool bulldozer! I can't wait to tell Roxy. Thanks for visiting me, Junior Builders. See you at the next build. Ah, woo!